Did you know that earthquakes in the Arctic are secretly redesigning entire pond ecosystems? These hidden transformations are reshaping the frozen North in ways you've never imagined. Deep beneath the Arctic's surface, seismic waves ripple through ancient permafrost, creating subtle shifts that change how water moves through the frozen ground. As these tremors shake the earth, they alter the dense layers of frozen soil that have remained unchanged for thousands of years. The resulting cracks and changes in soil structure create new pathways for water, transforming how Arctic ponds connect and drain. These geological changes trigger a fascinating chain reaction. As water patterns shift, they release trapped carbon from the permafrost and reshape habitats for countless aquatic species. Scientists have discovered that even minor seismic activity can cause significant changes to these delicate ecosystems, affecting everything from microscopic organisms to the region's larger wildlife. What other secrets do you think are hiding beneath the Arctic's frozen surface? Share your theories below.